What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to shut down your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC using your keyboard. Right, so I'm going to show you 3 ways here guys, and you will also be able to find these within the description of this video. Right, so how do you do this? The first way you can do this guys is by simply using Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. Right, so if you press Alt and F4 together on your keyboard, this will pop up the shutdown window for you if you have no apps open. However, if you have some application open like your browsers and other applications, then what this command is going to do is simply shut down those windows, close those applications for you. So if you press Alt F4, it will shut down those windows. You realize those applications from your taskbar is a shutdown. However, if you don't have any application open, it will simply go to the shutdown window for you. And from there, you'll get the standard Windows pop-up box that says what you want your computer to do. If you see it says shutdown, just simply press OK and it will shut down your computer. If you're seeing something else within that window, just simply go up and you want to press there and ensure that you select shutdown. And then from there, you can press the OK or press the enter key once you have the OK selected, and it will shut down your computer for you. Now, the next way how you can do that guys is by simply using your command, right? So you can simply press the Windows key and R on your keyboard and it will open up the run command. Now, once the run command appears guys, you simply want to type in this: shutdown /S /T /0. Now, once you hit enter guys, what this is going to do, it's going to shut down your computer for you. So all you have to do is just hit the enter key and it will select the OK for you and it will shut down your computer for you. Now, the final step that I'm going to show you guys, I won't be able to record this, but you will get the idea once you try out this option. All you have to do is just press Ctrl Alt and Delete on your keyboard. Now, once you press Ctrl Alt Delete, this shortcut, it will take you into like a lock screen option, right? Or the lock screen window where you are able to change your password, you're able to lock your screen and so forth. Now, I would recommend that you use the tab key, not the up or down arrow key, but use the tab key. Now, the tab key, press the tab key until it reaches all the way down until the lower right hand side of the screen where you have the power button. From there, you want to hit enter, and there you will be able to see the power options. You will see restart. If you have update, you will see update, but you will also have the option to shut down. Now you can go ahead and you can use the tab key again to select the shutdown, or from here you can use the up or down arrow to select shutdown. Now once you select shutdown, just simply hit the enter key on your keyboard and your computer will be shut down. And that's all there is to it guys. Now all these options that I mentioned here guys works for within Windows computer. So you will be able to use it on a Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, you name it, it will work. And that's all there is to it guys.